Hello everyone. If you're struggling to import your contact list, the following video will show a couple of steps that you can take to get it sorted. Firstly, go to where your file is saved, right click on the file name and say open with and select Notepad. So now it will open up your contact list in Notepad. As you can see here, the data is filled with issues. Alright, for example, after the email address there's a couple of commas, so that's indicative of additional or hidden columns that you're not aware of, or it doesn't appear in Excel, so then you'll know to just delete it. Alright, for example here there's a mail to colon, the @ sign is / etc. So now you've established what the issues are, so you can just simply close the file and open up your file again in Excel. So as you can see here, the additional columns behind the email address is not visible because those are hidden columns. So now it's trying to import additional columns, so it shouldn't be there. So all you do, select the columns and right click delete to get it completely out. Select the column, click on your find and select and say replace. So now you can search for all these funny characters in here and replace it. For example, let's start with the first one. There's a comma between .0.0. Okay, so comma and then replace with a full stop. Say find next. Now it highlights it. Say replace and it's replaced. Alright, the following one is so find next. Okay, it should be replaced with nothing because it shouldn't be behind the .0.0. Just click replace, it's replaced. And this one is a bit of a tricky one because it says mail to colon. This shouldn't be part of the email address, so just remove that part completely and replace this / with an @ sign. Alright, so once you're done editing your list, you can click file, save, and then you're ready to import. Cheers.